and welcome back to my channel. And today I'm going to be playing with some slime. And if you guys are new here, welcome, and please like and subscribe. So, my name is Kadinda, and I do slime videos. So, sorry for the noise in the background. I'm like kind of out in like the slime area, and the washer's on, and it's like really annoying because it's zippers hitting everything. But I'm sorry. So I have a question. Do you like it like this? Okay, I'm sorry guys, as I'm really stupid at this part, so just ignore me because I really didn't know how to edit that part because I just like talk so much. Sorry. Okay, Kenenza, please just shut up. God, you're so annoying. Okay, so let's get on this video. What I'm going to be showing you is the Laffy Taffy. So it has like a few foam beads in it, but otherwise it's like a really pretty green. So yeah, this one, it's like slight sticky, but otherwise like it's really good. It pokes pretty good. It stretches like long stretch. Okay, why am I like saying this stuff? Like it's not a review, but whatever. And I'm going to be doing a face reveal when we get to 15 subscribers. Move the bubble over, what the heck? Okay. Okay, so let's go on to the next slime. Okay, you guys, so the next slime is an orange sherbet or orange creamsicle slime. So this one is kind of small. It has a few fishbowl beads in it. And yeah, it's just really pretty. Okay, so now we're gonna move on to the next slime. Is a watermelon punch, and this is what it looks like. I think this one's really pretty. My little sister made this. Okay. Kind of looks like jelly. Like if you look at it from that side. It has a few foam balls in it, but yeah, it's kind of thick because she's a baby, so she can't really like have it too sticky. Oh, sorry guys, I didn't mean to hit you there. Okay, ready? Here we go. I kind of really hate this slime, but whatever, it's for you guys to see them. So yeah, I think this was the last slime. Let me just check really quick. Oh, this was the last one. I had to make more slime. Okay, so this was the last slime, so I'll see you in the ending. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment what was your favorite part of the video. Bye, see you guys next time.